my project about protecting Earth and consists of two parts. This part shows us how people destroy ecosystem or damage ecosystem. For example, in here, people cut down the trees. That means they decrease the amount of oxygen in the atmosphere. And here also we have some other ways to pollute air. For example, using cars and factories, because they release the harmful gases like carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and these gases cause heart disease and lung cancer and some other disease. And in here we have other waste product. This is toxic chemical waste product, and this one is very harmful to life in the water. And this boy throw trash to the water, and he also cause destroying life in water ecosystem. And this part shows us how people protect ecosystem. For example, in here, people use wind energy and solar energy to produce electricity instead of fuels like natural gas and oil. And they planting trees, that means they increase the amount of oxygen in the atmosphere. So that we can say this part is really good to life. In the end, I'm going to say, if you love yourself, or if you want to live with a healthy body, protect the environment.
My name is Mina. Today we're going to be explaining about bacteria cells. Bacteria cells are small single organisms that are found almost everywhere on Earth. Some species can live under extreme conditions of temperature and pressure. The human body is full of bacteria. In fact, it contains more bacteria cells than human cells.
Some bacteria degrade the organic compound for energy, and without bacteria, the earth would have no soil for the plants to grow. Bacteria in the living gut helps animals to break down food. These so-called good bacteria help maintain the conditions necessary for the food digestion. Here we have some parts. We have flagellum. A fun fact about flagellum, it helps bacteria to move or travel faster. And here we have DNA. Every organism has to have a DNA. And we have the other parts, as you can see. So that's all for the bacteria. Bye.